At a program that was held on the 29th of July 2022 at Shillong Malki Shillong, students of the Sslc and Hsslc who had topped the merit list and those who had performed well in the board exams of 2022 were awarded scholarships by the Khasi Students Union under the Bull Nongjop Lingdo Scholarship Award 2022. The chief guest on the occasion was the president of the Khasi Students Union Central Executive Council, Lambokstarwell Marngar. Others present during the event included members of the KSU Central Executive Council and those from the Malki unit, students and other invitees. Addressing the gathering, the president of the KSU, Lambokstarwell Marngar, said that education is an important weapon that will enable generations to come to face challenges that may come their way. Marngar also encouraged young people to equip themselves with knowledge while at the same time walking in the light of truth and respect for parents and of the indigenous community in particular and the state as a whole.
Kalong ke khidmat keba ngasukumen adu kata-kata akaba sesirpat nagaliang jongaki siu mati satu kalau yai persang nagapo support ban perlong yang kup ini jingai kusna kabadai sibuta kalau dia baki siu kalasim nadu senang khadmat spa khadmat tiap-tiap ini adu kanikas khidmat tentang namari sopo padmisip baka puli puji kadai kapokok santam kat mengyak kisnang bakat yang telur kita kisawai namar kadai keatian kepakalan ya kepengilah pengikut persan ya kebabut kicingkelan kamtam hagani sepas dan pak telur dari luar kata kebentar bahwa yang terpasang di Brokowai Niju penslur, bat niju bentuk, yang man kawai pakawai kesana kam. Hagan ega jeli bayar juga beri nyutran. Bakin sim, bakin baikmat. Man ain sim kisamlah puni, ontang kata. Man ain sim ru yang itu kisamlah. Kemudian dia kesap kepong, hakapentang kepero-pero di bawah mulai batasat kepang.